miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exam to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone. It was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother. I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office like to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready.
Yeah, Sachin, sir, good evening. We can start the class.
Okay, Amar, can we start now?
Yes, sir, we can start the class now.
Okay. Just a 1 minute. Okay, guys. So very good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session. I hope I'm clearly audible to you all. Am I clearly audible to you all, guys? Can you please reply? Voice is less. Guys, my voice is less. Less means?
No, sir, it's clear and crystal.
Sorry, Amar?
Sir, it's clear actually. There is no any problem or fluctuation.
Okay, no problem. So, guys, today we are going to talk about the recursion. We'll talk about the recursive thinking and backtracking basic over here. Okay. So we'll start that one by one over here. Okay. Okay. So recursion is one of the most important concept in a data structures and algorithm. So in DSA, it is important. And if you remember, in the previous also, we have seen some example related to recursion as well. Okay. So in many interviews and everywhere, they will ask you the question related to recursion all. So first of all, we have a question that what is recursion? Okay. So recursion is a programming technique in which method call itself repeatedly until a certain condition meet. Okay. So until a certain conditions are not going to meet, that method is going to call itself again and again. And that certain condition is nothing but the base condition. Okay. That certain condition is nothing but the base condition, right? So recursion is a programming technique in which method call itself repeatedly until a certain condition is made. So instead of using for or while loop, recursion solve the problem by breaking it into the smaller version of the same problem. Okay. So imagine standing between two mirror. Okay. Mirror you and mirror. So the image keep appearing again and again. That similar way, function is there and the call of function inside the function again and again. So until the base condition, okay, until the base condition is not achieving, it is going to repeat the things. Okay. So basic structure of recursion is like this. So recursion return type will be their function name, their parameters, and if condition, then it will return Then recursive call, again we'll call that function name, and then remaining statements are there. So every recursion function has a two parts. One is the base case. Okay, so this is a very, very important. If the base case is not clear, then it will go into the infinite loop. Okay, and then the second one is the recursive call. Okay, so we'll see the example, and through that we'll try to understand that one by one over here. Okay, so first of all, print the number from 1 to n, means whatever n value will be there, you have to print the number till there. Okay, so very basic and simple example is there. We'll discuss this and then we'll go ahead. So you will observe here in this example. One minute, huh? So in this example, if you see, there is a method called as a print, which is a static method. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by static method? What do you mean by static method, guys? Yes, I'm explaining through the example. Wait a minute. What do you mean by static method, guys? So the method which will become a class property. So no need to create an object for calling that method. So here, if you observe, not fixed method, it is a static method which will be a class property. So static void print is a method name. We are passing the n value. So what is the base condition over here? If n equal to 0, if n equal to 0, then and then only it will stop. Otherwise, what it will do, again it will call print method, only this time it will reduce the n value by 1. Okay, so like that it will print like so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that it is going to print. Okay, and this is called as a recursion call. This is called as a base condition, and this is a function call. Is that okay, Satya, now? Hello? Have you understood how the recursion works? What about others, guys? Okay, so you have 5 minutes of time, guys. I will request you everyone try this and then we will go ahead. Is that fine, guys? Can you try this, everyone? Hello, guys. Can you try that? Please reply. Okay, everyone, please try that. Okay, guys. I hope everyone done. Let's go ahead now. Now, guys, can you please try for the print number from n to 1? Hello, guys. Can you try this for n to 1? Hello. Hello. Yes, guys. Can you try for this one n to 1? Please reply. Are you there, guys? Okay. Please try that and then we'll go ahead. Please do it, guys. Guys, please do that and share it in chat box. Like, just give me 1 minute. Huh? Okay, guys. Sorry. Let's go ahead now. Now, at the next one, sum of first n numbers. Okay, I'll explain this quickly, guys. This is again a easiest one. Okay, but still I'll explain. So we want to do the sum of n numbers over here, right? So, but guys, the way when you guys will do, I will request you take a input from the user. N value, please take a input from the user. So you can see here we are calling the function called as a sum. We are passing a phi. So it will go to the sum. So phi will be passed. It will check phi is equal to 0 to 1. No. So it will return phi plus, again it will call the sum of n minus 1. Understood? Like 4. Then again like that. So it will perform the sum of that. Are you guys getting this? So this is your base condition and this is your recursive call. Okay. And this is the function call. So I want you should take an input from the user and that's how you have to do this. Can you try to do this one? Hello, everyone. Yes, guys, please reply, everyone. Okay, please do it this one. You have 5 minutes and then we'll go ahead. Ajay, please do this, na? Why should I send the program? You have a code, you practice this, please. That document you will get it later on. Prasanna, I have not shared. That's why they are not uploaded. I will share with them. Okay, I hope you are done with this, guys. Okay, can you try to do it the program for factorial? Hello? Using recursion? Hello, everyone. Can you try to do a program for factorial using recursion? Okay, everyone, please try it and then we'll go ahead. You have 5 minutes, guys. You can do that. Then we'll go ahead. Okay, guys, very good, everyone. Okay, now we'll see the power of number. So you can see here power of recursion. So we are just going to call the power function, okay, 2 raised to 5. And this is the base condition. If d is equal to 0, it will return 1, okay? Or else every time a into power of a comma b minus 1. We are reducing the b every time by 1. Okay, so very simple one. Can you try this, guys? Hello, everyone. You have 5 minutes, guys. Can you try this? Please reply, everyone. Please, guys. So if anyone not understood also, let me know. N is equal to 0. See here, first of all, I'm not passing the n anywhere, okay? So I'm taking the variable into the a and b. So a raised to b, okay? That's what I'm trying to find out. And every time I want to see a is going to be a constant because I want to find out the power of that number only. Okay, Shrikant. So that's why I'm reducing the b every time. Is that okay, Shrikant? See, logic of this program, you can observe here. I'm passing the 2 to the A and 5 to the B. Okay. Now, when I'm passing that, so every time I will, how to calculate the power 5, if you want to calculate that power of anything. So 2 into, if you want 2 raised to 5, so 2 into multiply by everything like 1, then 2, again 2, then 3, like that, right? So that's why we are reducing the 5. So first it will take 5, then it will take 4 power, then it will take third power, then it will take second power, like that. And when it will be with b will become a 0, it will stop. Is that okay, Shrikant? Sujanay? Hello? Okay, please try. See here, I would like to find out the power of 2 raised to 5. So what actually it does, so A is fixed 2. Okay, so into, so power of A comma B minus 1. So it will calculate the power of next thing and it will multiply with the A every time. So first it will take 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 1, like that, and it will add it into the A, and at last it is going to return the whole power. Is that okay, Shravani? Hello? Okay, please. See, one for each function. So time complexity is going to be a O of n. Okay, if it is logarithm, if it is a division, so in that obviously O log n logarithmic it will go. So it depends on right now in this it is O of n. Okay. Okay, can you try to write a program for Fibonacci series, guys? Hello everyone. Can you try to write a program for Fibonacci series, guys? Oh, okay, guys. Now I think I'm audible. I'm sorry, guys. There was some failure. Okay, please, guys, try to do a code for Fibonacci series. Everyone. Okay, guys. Can you try? Okay, I'll explain this so you guys can try that recursive reverse a string using recursion. Okay. And I think if I'm not wrong, I told you that time we'll discuss this in the recursion. So right now you can see here we are calling the function called as the recursive, recurse. See, okay, and then sorry reverse. So here in reverse we will pass that string. So base condition is if str dot length is equal to 0. Okay, in that case it will stop. So reverse str dot substring. So we are taking the substring of every time, right? And we'll print the character at that location every time. So it will print the reverse. Is that okay, guys? Have you understood this, everyone? Can you try this? real life example while explaining, I told you, na? Okay, for recursion. So if you are going to call the any function again and again, okay, so that in that case, so all these programming example we are taking, all these are the recursive example only, right? So you can see here, imagine you are standing in between the two mirrors. Okay. So your image is going to be reflected everywhere. So that's the real life example. Okay. Now please try this. What are the use of reverse string, sir? Okay. Okay, guys, I'll explain this again. See here. We are creating a function called as a reverse. Okay, we'll call that function. We'll pass that string. So first of all, we are defining the base condition. So if str.length equal to 0, then it will stop. Okay, this is the base condition. So when length will become a 0. So we are calling the reverse. So every time it is going to take the one alphabet out of that substring things. Okay, and it will print the character at that position. So it will start from the last. That's why first it will print A, then it will print B, then it will print A, then it will print J. Is that okay, Ram and Shruni? Yes, guys. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll go ahead. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's move ahead now. Saturday, Sunday holiday. Uh, very So can you please try to write a program for counting a digits? Hello guys. Can you try to do this one and then we'll go ahead. Counting digits. from the given number using recursion. Hello? Counting digits from the given number using recursion. Please. See, the meaning is that I just want to count that like how many total digits are there, Jatin. You can try for each one also if you want. Very good. Others also please try it. So now guys, you can see here the recursive thinking. So recursive thinking is the ability to solve the large problem by breaking into the smaller problem of the same time. Okay. So until the problem will become a small. So we are going to, in recursive thinking, we are trying to solve the problem approach where problem is defined in terms of itself, which each step moving closer to the simple stopping condition of base. Okay. So whatever we have seen, that is a recursive thinking only. So climbing stairs. So suppose there are 5 stairs. So instead of thinking how to climb 5 all stairs together, we'll start climbing one by one over here. Is that okay? This base real-time example, guys, for recursive thinking. Okay. So big doll, then medium doll, small doll, tiny doll, no more doll, like that. It is going to work. Okay. So what is the smallest version of the problem? That is the first step. Okay. Then next, what is the base case? Then assume the smaller problem is already solved. Okay. And then it will be combine the answer and all. Okay. So in sum of number also we have used the recursive thinking. So we already seen the recursive thinking, guys. Okay. Means whatever program we have seen, all are on the recursive thinking only. Okay. Can you try to write a program which we have not done, but in which we have used the recursion? We can use the recursion. Can you try to write a program which we have not done, but in which we can use the recursion? Can you do that, guys? Hello, everyone. Anyone you can try. Anyone you can try to do a code and share it in the chat box. Okay, please. Hey, class is not over. I have given a task to create a program which we have not done and share it in chat box. Okay, prod. Good. So I'll wait for 3-4 minutes more, guys, and then we'll discuss about the backtracking basics. Okay, the last point for today. Okay, guys, no issues. Some people have done very good. Now, the last topic which we are going to discuss about the backtracking basics over here. Okay. So, what do you mean by backtracking? Anyone is having an idea? So it is going to, obviously it is algorithm, okay. So it will build the solution step by step. If the choice leads to the invalid solution, then it will undoes means backtrack the choice. Like try, check, undo, and try another. Like that we are going to do, okay. So so imagine you are in a maze and want to reach to exit, okay. So start, then right, it will be blocked, then go for left, straight, again exit, like that. You have to find out. So try moving right, hit dead end, go back, backtrack, then try left, and then continue until you find to the exit. So have you guys got the idea? What do you mean by backtracking? Yes, reversing something. Yes, everyone. Okay, great, guys. No issue. So you can see a recursion versus backtracking. So recursion solve the small sub problems. Backtracking explore all possible solutions. Recursion doesn't necessarily undo work, always undo previous choice. Okay. Usually return one answer. It can return a one or many answer. Okay. You can make a note of this, guys. If you have a question, anything till here, you can feel free to ask. Then we will move ahead, guys. Please. Yes, Samitri. Okay, very good. So generally algorithm will be like this. So function problem, if solution found, print the solution written. For each possible choice, make a choice, then solve smaller problem, and then undo the choice like that. Okay. So we'll see one example. Print all binary strings of length 3. Okay. So generate every binary string using 0 and 1. So we'll see the program. So guys, you can see here we are creating a function called as a generate. So we are passing the 3 because we want 3. So base condition is, so we'll pass the current string current and then int n. So empty string we are passing n, then 3. So if current dot length equal to n, then system dot out dot println print the current. Otherwise another choice, current, and then we'll pass the 0. And another choice, current, 1 and n. So we are passing the different choice. So this is nothing but the example of backtracking, guys. Is that fine, guys? Have you understood this example? Hello? Can you try this one, everyone? Please try it, guys, and then we'll go ahead. Please try it. See, the applications of backtracking is that whenever you want to solve the problem in smaller steps and you want to reverse something, okay, so in that case you can go for the backtracking. So in operating system also, if you are facing a deadlock situation anywhere and you want to undo that, so in that case you can perform the backtracking. Is that okay? So please complete this and then guys we'll go ahead, okay? Guys, you just scroll up your chat box. You'll get a attendance link many times. So it is there only. Sudoku solver. Yes, yes, that is also. It is there on LMS. It is there on LMS. You can check. We'll see one more. You can try one more example of backtracking. Can you try to write a code for generate all subset of substring using backtracking, guys? Like suppose input is ABC, then all the possible combination ABC, AB, AC, A, B, C, B, C, and empty. Can you try to write a code for this? Hello, everyone. Yes, guys. Please. Okay. I have not shared yet. Okay, guys, I will share with them and then it will be available. Maybe I will try my best to share by tomorrow, okay? To be very honest. Okay, then it will be available. Yes. Oh, Jatin, good. Okay, broad. Okay. Okay, so have we done with all these three topics today, guys? Hello. Have we done with this all three topics? Okay. So if you have any question query, you can feel free to ask, or else, guys, you can feel free to leave. No issues. We'll wind up a session over here. Yes, Amar.
Yes, sir. We can wind up for today.
Wait for 1 minute. If anyone asks the question, and then
Yes, yes.
okay, Prathamesh, see, whenever we want to perform the backtracking means what? We are trying to find out the bigger solution, cut it down into the smaller one. And if one thing is not work, we'll undo that, and then again we'll try the another way. So that is nothing but the backtracking. Is that okay, Prathamesh? Yes. Anything else? Okay, guys. Then bye, guys. Good night, everyone.